Welcome to Fusion Creator. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build an application by assigning APIs on Fusion Creator platform. A Fusion Creator application is your custom way of working with the APIs from FusionFabric.cloud. You group one or more APIs into an application that gets unique credentials to access the APIs. After signing into Fusion Creator, you have several ways to create an application. One way is by accessing My Dashboard from the top right navigation bar. Click Create Application to open the application creation wizard. We will explore it later in this tutorial. The second way is by bookmarking the APIs in a list. After that, in the Bookmark section, you will see the selected APIs and you can create an application with them. The other way is by accessing solutions from the Explore menu. A solution groups several APIs allowing you to consume related services. For example, choose US Consumer Banking from the Consumer Banking category. This will display the solution overview with the available APIs, its key features, how the solution works, and the terms and conditions you need to agree to before using the APIs. To integrate all the solution APIs into your application, jump back to the top of the page and click Create Application. The application creation wizard opens. Let's explore it. Now you can start editing your application details. Enter the name, a short description, some category tags, and the reply URL. Optionally, enter one or more IPs for whitelisting. This is necessary when you want your application to be available from a specific IP. When you are ready, click Next. In this step, you can further customize the selection of APIs. The solution APIs are already selected here. You can remove or add some more. Some APIs have events or push notifications associated to them. You can identify these APIs by the lightning icon that is displayed on their cards. If you select an API of this type, in the next step you are prompted to subscribe to the events in order to receive notifications anytime they occur. When you are happy with the APIs, click Next to acknowledge their terms and conditions. Here's one short stop at the summary page before creating the application. Once created, your application starts in development stage with a unique identification number that you can see here. Depending on the type of the authentication grant flow you intend to implement on your client application, you need to generate different credentials for each API channel type. Note that the B2B APIs support client credentials grant flow, while B2C and B2E channel types support the authorization code grant flow. For security reasons, the secret key is generated only once, so make sure to copy its value somewhere safe. Otherwise, you must generate another key and update your client application accordingly. Remember that you can always return to an application to edit, view its details, or to delete it from My Dashboard. In this tutorial, you are guided through the steps of the application creation wizard. For more information, head over to the documentation section, where you can also find sample client applications.